guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Really sorry I did not upload a video sooner guys. That was because I was super busy and I really couldn't find the time to shoot a video. Hey, but in my defense, I did shoot 3 videos, but unfortunately I lost all of them because I didn't lose them, but I had to delete them because sometimes things don't go as planned. I had 12 assignments to submit and there was no space in my phone, so I had to delete all the 3 videos. And here I am. It's 31st December and I'm shooting a video now. More like I was trying to shoot a video from the past 2 days, but then I was kind of procrastinating. And immediately after I finished my assignments, I fell sick. I had severe vertigo for some reason, and it took me 3 to 4 days to recover. Here I am finally shooting a video for y'all now. So in case you're wondering why I have mehendi on my hands, that's because I have a family function to attend, and I don't know what's the connection, but every time in December, whenever I sit to film a New Year's Eve makeup look, I have mehendi, and it's so weird. And because it's a family function, I can't even say no. So yeah, please don't judge me. So I can't believe 2020 is almost over and 2021 is almost here. And I hope 2021 brings in a lot of love, success and happiness in all of your lives. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this black smoky eye look. Kept my eyes as the main focus and I've kept my face and my lips down. Always remember, makeup is one feature focus. You do not want to overdo all of your features. So as you can see in today's video, I have done a smoky eye look and I have kept my lips and my skin really simple and dewy. Let's get right into the video. Hey, stop! Before we get in, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video and you won't miss out on any notifications and you would be the first one to watch my video. Okay, so now let's get right into it. The key to a good base is a well prepped and primed face, so make sure you prep and prime your skin really well. If you have any dark circles or pigmentation, cover it all with an orange color corrector. This is what is gonna make your skin look even. Make sure to blend that in and make it look as if you have no product on your face. This is what is gonna make it look flawless. Acne, dark spots or redness? Go ahead and cover it all with a green color corrector. This is gonna hide all of the redness and give you an even base. Blend all of that in until it looks good enough to move on to the next step. By the way, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal and Correct in the shade orange and green respectively. Now I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Sable Sand. In case your skin is close to my skin color, you can get this shade. While I'm still at my base, I'm gonna prep my lips with a lip balm just to ensure that it is well prepped before the lipstick. I'm gonna apply my base with the help of an oval brush and then blend it out with the help of a stippling brush. And also don't forget your neck. I'm gonna use a concealer wherever I used a corrector just to cover it properly. Now all you've got to do is blend everything in. This is a super easy last minute glam makeup look, so you don't have to worry about anything. I'm gonna use another concealer over the previous one. This one is slightly more closer to my skin tone and I'm just gonna blend it all in. I'm now gonna use a highlighting concealer to highlight the high points of my face and then blend it out with the help of a stippling brush. Now use your setting powder to set everything in place. You want to use your setting powder properly because if you don't, you are going to make your makeup budge and you definitely don't want that, do you? Now I'm going to contour my face. I'm just going to do it the usual way, that is contouring my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead. I also want to give my cheeks a little flush of color and hence I'm applying a blush on. I'm applying a little bit on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my chin. And I'm also using my highlighter and highlighting all the high points and also contouring my nose. Okay, so that was a lot of but you get the whole point, right? I'm gonna use a brown shade and apply it on my crease. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and blended. Now I'm gonna use the silver shade from the palette and I'm gonna apply it on my entire lid. Now I'm taking the black shade from the palette and placing it where I want it to be and then slightly blending it out and smoking it. Don't worry if it gets a little messy, guys. We can correct it in the end. You can always use a cotton pad or a wet wipe to clean the edges. Once you've placed the product properly, you can blend it all in. And please take your time, guys. It's not as fast as it looks. It takes at least 10 to 15 minutes. At this point, if you have any fallouts, you can go ahead and clean it out. For now, I'm just gonna comb my brows and I'm gonna fill it in later. Now curl your lashes and apply a thick coat of mascara. You can also apply a liner, but I just want to skip it over here. So I'm just gonna skip my liner. If you wanna apply falsies, you can go ahead and do that. Also, don't forget your lower lashes. Now I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick, which is Raw Cocoa from Maybelline's Powder Matte collection. After which I'm just gonna top it up with a gloss. Now apply the two browns and the black on your lower lash line to give it a gradient effect and make it look nice and smoky. Now you can apply your kajal and tightline your eyes and also touch up on the shimmer shades. I'm also going to touch up on my contour, blush on and highlight. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and blend everything in until it looks like one layer. At this point, I'm just gonna fill in my brows really lightly and I'm not gonna make it look too dark or full. So with that, I complete my look. But don't forget to apply a good quality fragrance because that is what is gonna make you feel more confident and more sophisticated, and you need to smell good, right? Now I have to go search for some jewelry and do my hair, so I have to get going, but you guys can stay put and watch the outro. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found this video helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any notification. And you can also be the first one to watch my video. And yeah, a very happy new year to all of you guys and your family. I hope 2021 brings in a lot of happiness in all of your lives. So with that, it's a wrap, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye!